Drive.
Trying.
Huh?
That's the she ain't gonna blow my house.
Who that?
Trying.
Oh, your wife? Go ahead, man. Say some dumb shit.
Yeah. Oh, everybody here for you. Oh, alright.
I wouldn't even answer that shit.
No fucking faster than I'm going. If you want with that dumb shit, I'll go home.
Oh, y'all, they at the place?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know they was there.
Well, I mean, they ain't gonna speak.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not that serious to come out in this fucking stupid ass government.
Man, I wish this nigga would.
Oh, I can get something to eat.
That's your life.
You should see my cut, you should see my feet. I got 1,000 girls at home, what's making happening? What's happening? What's good? I'm pimping like I should. Lift it up and let it down, baby. Do it when you're good. Do it when you're side. Do it when you're side. Show you with me, show it. Something like a stripper. If I want, I get her. I'm something like a hustler, but I'm nothing like you. You know somebody better. You down for whatever, but tell your friend I'm trying hard. She a little. She got that. One more time, baby. Let me know if you train me go. I got that. Hold up, wait a minute. One more time, baby. Let me know if you can handle the pro. I got that. Hold up, wait a minute. That corner finger, oh that's a toe, that's a toe. That corner finger, oh that's a toe, that's a toe. That corner finger, oh that's a toe, 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 that's a toe. Girl, you can do what you please. I see you cheating and cheating. Think you ain't leaving for me? I got a trick up my sleeve. Yeah, you can get your issue, baby.
I'll be there in like 3 minutes. How long you been? Huh? I mean, you, how long it'll take you to get there? You in food line?